BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Biomarin Pharmaceutical stock buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Especially now looking at BMRN, this thing is in a one heck of a freaking bearish range. I mean, it's not that bad, bro. It's just a normal bearish range, you know what I mean? Coming from 73 bucks, that's the high. And from this pump up that I saw lately, before I get into the details, I mean, all I'm sticking to here is just my rules that I've refined over 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, which is all documented on my YouTube channel. But going back into here, I had mentioned that the only thing that I would have freaking cared about with potential sell side is a double break. So I saw the first break. Second break, it will only really count if the price goes up and then goes down. And if not, well, so be it. You know, I'm not going to randomly start selling or anything similar to that. So that's how BMRN is looking like. I'd have like a 2% negative correction, so that's where we're at. And yeah, I mean, it's not the most special thing ever, but I'm just gonna still stick to my rules and follow them. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails and sauce for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.